Tell me what you want and play your part. I see some darkness in you, girl. That's why you worry about my thoughts. And if my heart is true.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Azure back in the cut with another YouTube video from the Bronx. And today I'm doing something a little different. This is my first hair video and I am giving a review on this curly hair that I got in my head. No, this is not my hair. I mean, some of my hair is in it, but you know, this is a little bit of clip and extension. So if y'all want to see my review on this hair, how long I've been wearing it, how does it hold up, does it shed, because some of these curly extensions be shedding, okay? If y'all want to see a review on this hair, stay tuned. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at bajanbri, BAJANBRI. I'm very active on Instagram. I like sharing my content with y'all. If y'all don't know, I model. There's a couple of shoots coming up with some hair in it, okay? Especially this hair. I love doing shoots with curly hair because it's like you don't gotta worry about the frontal lifting. Anyways, I'm talking too much, but if y'all want to see this video, stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm gonna be reviewing better length hair extensions, and it comes in this beautiful satin bag. If I could wear it as a bonnet, I would, but this is basically the bag that you get the hair in. And you keep the hair in this bag so that, you know, curly hair doesn't do well with cotton, so this satin really does well at preserving the clip-ins. But I ordered the 3B-3C texture in 20 inches, and it comes with 10 clips when you order it. So that's really good because you can either use all 10. I believe this is all 10. This might be like 8 or 9, but the clip-ins are very, very, very full, like super full. But I'm gonna give y'all the order status. Okay, so this is actually my second round ordering this hair. I ordered the Kinky curly clip-in set in the texture 3B-3C, and I got it in 20 inches / 235 grams. I don't know how much is 235 grams of hair. I don't know if that's the same as 250 density for wigs, but that's what it says. 20 inches, 235 grams, color 1B, and it came out to $279 for these Kinky curly clip-ins. It comes with 10 clips. I paid $20 for fast shipping. I got it in like 3 or 4 days. Both times I delivered. I mean, both times I ordered it. And yeah, it just comes in a regular box and you get it in this bag. It tells you to wash it and co-wash it before you get it, but did I co-wash it? Yeah, I did, but not fully. So when you get curly clip-ins, it's gonna come in the pack and you're going to have to brush the texture out. When you get curly clip-ins, it comes in this like pre-made fake texture that's not actually the real texture of the hair. I don't know if you guys have ever seen videos of people who do curly clip-in videos, and some of them the texture will look so great and others the texture will look very modified and synthetic, and you wonder like, damn, did I get some bad hair? No, you have to literally co-wash the hair, brush it out until you get a whole new texture that you started out with, because the texture that it comes with is not the normal texture. Like this texture that I'm showing you guys, this is from brushing out the curls and giving it its natural curl. The curl that it comes with is not its natural curl. So yeah, my review on these clip-ins is I really love it. They're so versatile. I'll show pictures in the video of the different styles that I do. Sometimes I do the wet look, sometimes I do flexi rod sets. If you guys want to see a flexi rod tutorial on my channel, let me know. But it's so versatile. You could do updo pineapple styles like this. This is like my favorite style right now because I feel like I like the way it shapes my face, and it's just giving very much like Caribbean island girl. But yeah, what else can I say about the clip-ins? Very versatile. You just have to detangle it. These are my old clip-ins that I stopped using because I'm not gonna even lie to y'all, I don't know if I got a bad batch the first time, but these clip-ins shed like crazy. They shed like crazy, and you have to make sure that you detangle each clip-in. You have to make sure you detangle each clip-in every single time you wear them, because what will happen, let me show y'all. These are one of my old clips. These are one of my old clips. And this is how it's looking right now. It's looking a little thin. But what will happen is the hair will get caught in the clip. And it's going to make it very matted in this area. Very, very matted in this area. So you want to make sure that you treat this hair like your real hair, or even better. Because you spending $300 on this hair, it's an investment. You have to keep up with the hair. You have to make sure that the hair is always like, let me show y'all. These are the, hold on. These are my old clip-ins. I took care of these as long as I could, but it was just the detangling and the shedding was too much. So I wore them for a year straight. They did great things for my life, but they're too matted. I can't wear them anymore. So the fact that the hair lasted me for a year is amazing. I don't really know anything that lasts for a year anymore. So that was amazing. It's just this batch was very, it shedded way too much. The batch that I have in my hair now, it barely sheds, but I haven't been detangling it that much. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But it barely sheds, which is good. I don't know if I got some bad hair. I don't know what, but I love the clip-ins. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I love how versatile it is. You can wash it every week if you want to. I suggest co-washing. I don't suggest shampooing it. Basically, treating your natural hair is the same way you should treat your clip-ins. Like, there is no difference. Just make sure they're always detangled. Make sure you let them air dry on a flat towel so they don't mildew. You don't want to keep the hair wet and keep it in your hair and not let it dry. So if you can, take the clip-in, style it, and then let it lay down for a second just so it can air dry, and then put it in your head. Or if you do put it on your head, make sure you diffuse your hair, because the last thing you want to do is create any type of bacterial growth in your scalp or on the clip-ins, because you want to sleep with wet hair, or you want to just let the hair be all wet and nasty. You got to make sure it dries. Just like regular hair. Like I said, the way you treat your regular hair is the way you should treat your clip-ins. But I really love these clip-ins. What else can I tell y'all? I need to start planning out my videos so I can already have it. Oh, so for my first batch of clip-ins, they shedded a lot, but they lasted me a year. Occasionally I did clip the ends. I got these as 20 inches, but they turned out to be 18 after I started cutting the inches off because of the split ends. You have to detangle it. The color blend is great with natural hair. I think I'm naturally 1B, and it blends great with my hair. They're so versatile. You can do flexi rod sets, you can do twist outs, you can do braid outs, you can do half up, half downs, you can do a half, well, not, I was gonna say all the way up, but you can do a high look like this, a high ponytail, wet look. If you guys want to see a tutorial on my flexi rod set, really do let me know. I mean, I'm gonna do it anyways, but it helps if y'all request it, so I know that y'all really want to see it. But yeah, I love this hair. It's a 10 out of 10. Look at this. You can't even see the braids in the back. Like, hello. It's given very much so. Hold on. That's the only thing when your natural hair be peeking through. The little short pieces be on top. But it's given very much so natural. Like, y'all would never know if y'all didn't know. If I wasn't exposing myself, y'all would never know that this is not my real hair, because it's just way too realistic. And it blends. So yeah. But yeah, that's my review on the clip-ins. I advise everybody to try curly clip-ins at least once in your life, whether you're transitioning from heat damage to natural, relaxed to natural, or you're just trying to grow your natural hair. You don't really want to put that much stress. You can literally just leave out the front, braid the back, put in the clip-ins, put it in a high puff, put it in a middle part look, a wet look, anything you want to do, you can do with clip-ins. You just have to manage it like it's your own hair. And you think it's a lot taking care of your own hair. Imagine taking care of 20 inches of fake hair. So you just have to remember to always detangle it, always keep it clean, keep it cute, and it's a really good journey. I love it. Just in case y'all want to see it one more time, blends perfectly with my hair. Like, you can't tell me this ain't my hair. This is my hair. I bought it. It's mine. But thank y'all so much for watching my YouTube. I really appreciate y'all. Let me know if y'all want to see a natural hair routine with the clip-ins, without the clip-ins. Whatever type of natural hair videos y'all want, y'all can get it. Y'all can see it today, okay? Well, not today, but I'll put it in the notes. Thank y'all so much. See y'all in my next video.